So because the bushings are new, of course they're a little stiffer, well, a lot stiffer. So this is what I did, was I got one side on, and then held the other side, got the other bolt on, and now I'm just walking them in. And they will snug up against that bushing nice and tightly.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
Hands are clean. It's the picky side of me. My tools and I must look clean when I'm done working.
This is not a drill. Repeat, this is not a drill.
I'm supposed to be at a dinner shortly with my wife, my in-laws.
Is that all you got?
A little late.
Let's begin
You know how it is. Working on a small thing takes longer. Actually, this went pretty smoothly. Typically, things don't go so smoothly. You know, a half-hour job turns into 3 hours. One rusted nut or bolt won't come off. Now it's clean, so if I need to work on something, let's say, you know, in the house and I need a tool, I don't have to get dirty doing it. So I had said earlier I have a new speed sway bar. Here it is. Much bigger, much stronger. Let's see if these is it 034 Motorsports or 034 Motorsports? I call it 034 Motorsports all the time. All right. For anyone concerned, I'm not jacking up on the oil pan. It's actually on the sway bar. It took about an hour. I'm not sure what I'm going to edit it down to, but yeah, it took about an hour. Should have taken less time, but I went slow and easy. Yeah. And I'm not trying to say that these are the best ways to do these things. I'm just saying this is the way a guy in a garage at his home does it. Hope you enjoyed.